Next topic is conservative nature of electric field. So let's consider Cartesian coordinate x, y and z axis. So in this Cartesian coordinate there are 2 points, point A and point B, and position vector of point A and point B with respect to origin are respectively RA and RB. If we move a test charge from A to B via path L1 and again from B to A via path L2. So if we calculate potential difference between these 2 points, so potential difference between A and B, which is given by VA minus VB is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon RA minus 1 upon RB. So what will be the amount of work done in bringing this test charge from B to A? Simply it is given by VA minus VB is equal to amount of work done in bringing test charge from B to A to the that amount of charge. Let's consider test charge Q naught. So WBA will be equal to VA minus VB multiplied by Q naught. If we put this value in this relation, so WBA is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q times 1 by RA minus 1 by RB multiplied by Q naught. So WBA is equal to Q into Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RA minus 1 by RB. Equation number 1. Similarly, amount of work done in bringing same test charge Q naught from A to B and amount of work done in bringing same charge from A to B. This one will be equal to just opposite VB minus VA multiplied by that test charge. If we put this value, so Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon RB minus 1 upon RA multiplied by Q naught. This will give us amount of work done in bringing that charge from A to B. So WAB is equal to Q into Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RB minus 1 by RA. Now adding these two equations. From equation number 1 plus 2. So WAB plus WBA is equal to WAB Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RB minus 1 by RA plus Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RA minus 1 by RB. So total work done, WAB plus WBA is equal to Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught common in bracket 1 by RB minus 1 by RA plus 1 by RA minus 1 by RB. So plus RA minus RA plus RB minus RB cancel out. So WAB plus WBA is equal to 0. So thus work done for moving an electric charge in an electrostatic field along a closed path is 0, which indicates that electric field is conservative. So total amount of work done in a closed path is 0. So this indicates that electric field will be conservative.